record. Let's see if this video works. Tell me if you can see and or hear it.
Botswana lies in the arid basins.
Yeah, we can see it.
Okay.
Much of it within the Kalahari Desert. But in the north, there is an immense oasis called the Okavango Delta. Created by the floodwaters of the Okavango River, this inland delta spreads over 6,500 square miles. It attracts a wealth of animal life. Some are specialized for this waterlogged environment. Hippos bask in the sun. Crocodiles wait for the unwary. Lechwe graze in the shallows. These river antelopes have evolved elongated hooves that help them sprint over marshy ground. Other animals, more suited for the open savanna, must make do with getting their feet wet. Elephants seem to enjoy themselves wallowing in the mud, while cheetahs grudgingly enter the water in search of prey. Africa's wild dogs have adjusted well to the Okavango's environment. They'll hunt in wet or dry climates, day or night. They spot a group of lechwe, but the lechwe spot them. The chase is on. The lechwe are too quick. The dogs soon give up. The cheetahs, meanwhile, manage to drive their prey onto drier land. They will eat well today. For other animals, there are ample opportunities ahead to eat, to grow, and to live in the vibrant bounty of the Okavango Delta.
All right, so why don't you take a minute to find pictures for all of those different terms, and then we will compare my definitions to what you guys have written down. All right, so let's see how your definitions compare to what I wrote down. Next. All right, so for my laser on, for herbivores, those are organisms that eat plants. Here's a picture of some of those things. Predators are organisms that kill and consume another. So the one that does the killing is the predator, and then the one that's being eaten or consumed is the prey. And here we have a lynx, it looks like, capturing a poor little hare. Scavengers we've already defined. They consume dead organisms that have died from causes other than predation. And here is a vulture. Omnivores will eat both plants and animals. And here's a big list of different omnivores: hedgehogs, boars, skunks, and so on. Most humans are also omnivores. And then we have carnivores, which eat primarily animals. And again, my pictures of carnivores are listed. When you're ready to move on, if you could raise your hand, I will know you're finished and ready to hear more things. Okay, so if you do not have these definitions or pictures completed, maybe grab a little screen capture here right now. For those of us that are on Zoom right now, I'm gonna lower your hands. So that kind of concludes our information for today. This was on producers, things that are able to make their own food we talked about yesterday. And today we looked at things that cannot make their own food. So they have to look elsewhere. Tomorrow, it's just a little assignment. So kind of a light load because I will be unavailable for most of the day. Assignment number 39 on Canvas. And then on Monday, we're starting to think about how energy moves through an ecosystem. So we have a video here that talks about energy. And then you want to look at the different types of energy transformations that there are. We want to talk about solar energy, chemical energy, ATP, thermal energy, and then a little fill in the blank. So a very light workload for you for the next 2 days. You've got assignment number 39 to complete, and then energy flow, the video and definitions. That concludes our class. So you are now free to go. I will not be at the gathering tomorrow. So I will see you guys on Tuesday.
Bye. Bye. Thank you. Have a great
Have
day.
a good day.
Thank you.
You too,
Bye.
you guys.
Bye.
Get outside for a little bit. It's nice out, sun shining. Or it was earlier when I ran outside. Bye, Terry. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Bye-bye.